case of dynamic SQL is dynamic source name. How can you write a store procedure that accepts the database name as an input parameter and returns data from that database name? So, for example, I have data of multiple states, and in multiple states we have same schema for all the databases, and at runtime user will pass the database name as input parameter, and I have to return the user information or citizen information from that state. So how you can achieve this? So I am trying to do that with a stored procedure, and I am creating a stored procedure that accept input parameter, that is the database name, and I am trying to get the data from that particular database name. And if you try to do that, see the error message, incorrect syntax near plus. So you cannot use this from database name plus schema name then table name. So you cannot do like this. The only solution is to go with the dynamic SQL query. Using dynamic SQL query, here first I am checking whether that database name is exist or not. If database exists, then go and execute this dynamic SQL. Select asterisk from quote name. Again I am using the quote name to quote this database name so that it does not clash with any reserved keyword or system defined entity or name. I will explain more about this quote name in the next part of this video, that is SQL injection. So first, for now I am just encoding the database name here, and after that I am appending the schema name and table name. If you execute this query, store procedure created successfully. Now if you execute this, here if you see I am passing the tech point funda database, and after that tech point database. If you see currently I am in tech point database, and if you execute this query, invalid database name supplied. So let me, there is already an object name means database store procedure is created. What is the issue with this store procedure? Let me first remove this quote name and then try to exclude this. That is the issue, because I have not handled the quote name function here. I am passing this bracket already, but I have already used this quote name here, so that is doing the same thing. That's why we are getting the error. Similarly for this, the second database name, we are getting the data from that database.